This year, how much is the breakfast going to be?
£3 again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Scottish
See that
breakfast.
record the guy.
So Scottish breakfast.
So Scottish breakfast, £3.
Now £4 Scottish, £3 English. So Sunday we come. Definitely, yeah.
You will be welcome.
Morning everyone, so we're starting at Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler. You got me and Kev just straight from the villa. The girls are there getting washed still, drying the hair. We're out in the sunshine, so today we're going to go out on the electric scooter. We're going to show you around Icmeler very, very quickly. Welcome to Icmeler 2026.
I'm gone, 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 gone. Yeah, I'm gone, 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 gone. 'Cause I'm gone, 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 gone. Yeah, I'm gone, 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 gone. So see you later, alligator.
This year, how much is the breakfast going to be?
£3 again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Scottish
See that
breakfast.
record the guy.
So Scottish breakfast.
So Scottish breakfast, £3.
Now £4 Scottish, £3 English. So Sunday we come. Definitely, yeah.
You will be welcome.
I'm going to bring all my family,
And man.
and we'll all come Sunday morning.
Sometimes you never know where it's gonna turn. First you build a dream up just to watch it burn. It's easier to settle for the change, take a few scraps and just walk away. But I still believe when the chips are down, you will find your way up, lifting off the ground.
Next time. Tomorrow breakfast. Tomorrow. No problem, mate. Tomorrow. How much is breakfast this year? Cheap. Thank you very much, mate. No problem.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you. You okay?
Never change, yeah.
I
Never
just
change.
I keep drinking. It's just alcohol. Keep drinking.
Too much alcohol, yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Never too much alcohol.
We'll come in this weekend for breakfast.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Have a nice day.
Soul.
I wrote a letter to myself from the future me. Yeah, I had a lot to say about my history. When you're in the breathing smoke, kinda hard to see, with lungs like a furnace in the desert heat. Sometimes the right feels like a wrong. Sometimes you're gonna sing the saddest songs, but look back up when you trip and fall, 'cause a view from here is kinda worth it all. Hold on, you got this. All that you wanted is on the other side, and you're gonna find that it's rough and it's wild, but it's worth every mile. And when it burns inside your soul, that's how you know that you're on the road. That you're on the road. As you felt the sting of the thorns, as your feet are tired and warm, but lift up your eyes, you might be surprised. I know it feels like, I know it feels like, I know it feels like.
That's Alvaro apartment. Let's go to see Tony Macaroni. You got Blake doing her YouTube there.
We're going to see Tony Macaroni.
Rolling like the sun. I should have known you were the one. I should have known I could have been falling. Hidden, fleeting moments go. I should have known I'd seen it all. I should have known I was receiving. Like to say that I've like to say, 'cause you see once you find at the end of the day, I just need a simple favor, please be insane. Take me back the time where I couldn't find the simple things in life, but the only kind I wanted to try is the fun, crazy crimes. I was rolling, rolling, rolling through the night. Rolling, 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 rolling.
Ishmael Part 1 and Tony Macaroni. Cheers for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Tandem's Food. Stop here, Kev. Don't forget to subscribe to, is it Blake's Place?
Yeah.
And that's it. Enjoy Icmeler.